It is very important that we understand that if we're going to get the victory and if we're going to see that which God has predestined and preordained come to pass in the time frame, there's a time frame, there's a time frame, and I don't want to go too far off, but I want to understand that God told Israel that in 400 years he's going to deliver them. And what the adversary did, he caused Moses to act in the flesh and kill the Egyptian. And Moses had to run away, and it took 20 more years, amen, for Moses to come back and deliver Israel. Understand that the enemy also want to mess with your time when God wants some things to happen in your life.